here at Trimper's Ride. I'm gonna do a walkthrough of the Pirates Cove since it wasn't open the last time I was here last year. It's been one of my favorite parks since I was a kid. Every time we came to the beach, I'd come here and do the Pirates Cove and do the haunted house. Get on a boomerang coaster. Alright, I'm about ready to go into the Pirates Cove. Classic Bill Tracy walkthrough. One of the only ones left. I think this is only one of two left. There's one in Waldemere Park in Pennsylvania, and then this one's the only other one left. You're scared? It's too scary. It's like a fun house. You guys like fun houses? Not Tyson. They're scared. This part. It's like a tilted room. They have some fiberglass pirates in here. Where's your brother? He's not coming through? Oh. You want to go back? It does get dark up here, just to warn you. Oh, this part feels like you're spinning. I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but it's like a spinning room. Oh no, this is dark. Whoa. Watch out, the floor drops right here. That used to pop up, but it doesn't work anymore, I don't think. This is one of the better stunts here. Look at this guy. His eyes follow you as you walk past him. See what I mean? His eyes follow you. This thing used to pop up too, I remember. And then you go through this room, which used to have strobe lights, but now it's just mirrors and bars. I mean, it's good that they still have this here. They just need to fix some of the stunts. I think this one's a little bit shorter than the one at Waldemere Park. There's a shaker board here. No, the shaker board doesn't work anymore. need to fix a couple of things in there, but other than that, it's still in decent shape. Yeah, that's a card. So one of the only Bill Tracy walkthroughs left. One of the only Bill Tracy attractions left, actually. And one of the other only Bill Tracy attractions left is the Haunted House Dark Ride on the boardwalk. And that's one of the only dark rides, classic dark rides left.